There you go, Henry. You're back on the rails. You best go to the steamworks to be checked over.
Ah, what a relief. Thank you, Rocky.
No problem.
One, two, three.
Yes!
Look out!
Oh, dear.
Steady!
Oh!
Oh, dear.
Oh, dear, Harold. I think Rocky's even further from the tracks than before.
I bet I can do it. Let me try.
Me too. I want to help.
Guys, I really don't think this is going to...
Ready? Go!
Pull, Val!
I am, Flynn. You need to pull harder.
Stop! You all need to help and work together. Harold, you lift from one side.
Yes, sir.
Butch, you pull from the other.
You got it, Rocky.
Mel and Flynn, you pull me back onto the line.
Okay, Rocky.
Let's do this.
And Thomas, you keep a close eye on my wheels and the rails. Okay?
Will do.
Ready?
Up a bit, Harold. Left a bit, Butch. Your left. That's right. How we doing there, Flynn? All right? Good. Now, Bell and Flynn, pull.
We did it!
He kept thinking about what was on the other side of the mountain. And he wasn't looking where he was going. Luckily, nobody was hurt.
Once again, Thomas, you have caused confusion and delay.
I didn't mean to, sir. But Bertie had been teasing me, and I was still feeling cross.
Which means you weren't paying attention. That's how accidents happen.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Bertie told me there were jungly trees over here, and a sparkling waterfall, and there was always a rainbow.
Oh, I don't think so, Thomas. It's pretty much the same as the other side of the mountain.
So I was right. Bertie was making it all up.
What? What's so funny?
The sparkly waterfall, the jungly trees, and the rainbow. There's always a rainbow. Very funny, Bertie.
Yes, I told you I didn't make it up.
No, but you made it sound like it was real, not just a big poster.
No,
I didn't mean to make you have an accident, though, Thomas, just so you could see what was on the other side of the mountain.
I know. But just you wait until you see the new wings Victor has for me. Wings? Soon I'll be able to fly wherever I want, even where there aren't any roads.
Eh? Oh, now you're joking, aren't you? You'll only have wings in your dreams.
Okay, then. In my dreams.
Diesel, you made me jump.
Sorry, Percy, but I've got an important message from Sir Topham Hatt. He wants you to pick the mayor up from the old quarry.
The old quarry? Are you sure? That's a funny place to pick up a mare.
Plans change, Percy. You'd better hurry now. You don't want to miss the photographers, do you?
No, I don't. Thanks, Diesel. Bye. Mayor, it's Percy. I've come to take you to the Search and Rescue Center. Oh, Mr. Mayor. Mr. Mayor? Are you in there? Oh, no!
Percy was so busy looking for the mayor that he didn't notice that the track was flooded.
Blistering buffers! My firebox has gone out. I'm stuck.
Thank you, Diesel. You are a really useful engine.
But not a rescue vehicle.
What's wrong, Diesel?
I wasn't even in it. I mean, why? Why would they not want a modern Diesel like me in the photo?
What photo?
The photo which will be on the front page of the newspaper, with the mayor and those silly rescue vehicles in it.
But I thought Percy was taking the mayor. Diesel, where's Percy?
I don't know. He should have been back from the old quarry by now.
The old quarry?
Having a bath?
No, I'm stuck. My firebox has gone out.
Don't worry, Percy. I may not be a rescue vehicle, but I can rescue you. I'm a modern diesel engine, so I don't have a firebox. I have a generator. Hey, what's wrong?
Maybe your generator got wet, Diesel.
But that means we're both stuck.
I'm sorry, Diesel. I've ruined everything. My firebox, your generator, the mayor's presentation.
Yes, about that. I'm afraid I tricked you down here so that I could take the mayor instead.
You tricked me? But why?
So I could get my picture in the paper, Percy. I'm so...
Are you trying to say...
Hey, look! It's the rescue vehicles!
I found them! They're over here!
Right, Diesel. I'm coming for you first.